Welcome to Wolf Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. This Equinox is featured in a black paint finish and is the LT trim. Under the hood is our 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle we have 5-passenger seating on our jet black cloth seating surfaces. Heated seats in the front of the vehicle. We also have lane keep assist with our departure warning, forward collision alert, wireless Apple Carplay and Android Auto, a backup camera with our adaptive guidelines. Outside of the vehicle, we have our alloy wheels as well as a powered liftgate. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, power mirrors, as well as power windows with our child safety lock, storage, and our powered liftgate settings in the bottom of the door with our speaker. Inside the vehicle, just to the left of the steering wheel, we have all of our lighting controls. Power driver seat finished in our jet black cloth. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we have our display cluster with a digital information system in the center. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise settings, forward collision alert, and our lane keep assist. We have some audio controls tucked behind the steering wheel. The right-hand side, we have our voice recognition, hands-free, and all of the controls for our display cluster settings. More audio controls behind, as well as our push-to-start ignition. In the middle, we have our infotainment system. In our audio, we can see we have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as a phone connection. If you put the vehicle in reverse, we also have our backup camera with our adaptive guidelines. Below, we have our home, seek, volume controls, and hands-free. And we actually have all of our hotkeys in the bottom of our vehicle. Then we have our auto stop start, as well as our hazard lights. Dual zone climate in the front of the vehicle with front and rear defrost, as well as AC, sync, auto mode, and our fan controls. Heated driver and passenger seat right next to the respective temperatures. Below it, we have some storage with a USB-C, USB, aux, and 12-volt plug for charging. All-wheel drive and our parking sensors in the front as well. Leather finish shifter with our electronic parking brake below. We have 2 cup holders with some storage where we can also see our key. On our key, locks and unlocks, remote start, power tailgate or liftgate, as well as our alarm system. Some storage for our center console, which is deep storage, and a removable coin tray. Passenger seat is also our jet black cloth and heated for our passenger. Lastly, moving above the rear view mirror, at the front we have our OnStar settings, dome lights with our dome lighting control, and then a sunglass holder. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving to the front tire and rim, we have our alloy rim with our Chevrolet bow tie center cap and an all-season tire. Moving out, we have paint match mirrors, paint match keyless entry door handles. All the way around at the back of the vehicle, we have our black badging with our black bow tie, as well as black Equinox and all-wheel drive LT badging. Opening up into the back of the vehicle, we can see our powered liftgate. Back of the vehicle is a 60/40 folding bench seat. You can actually fold it directly through the back of the vehicle or through the sides on either seat. We have some storage throughout the back of the vehicle, as well as some under-seat storage. Lastly, to close the vehicle, we have our power release on the right-hand side or a manual release right next to it. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as some storage and our speaker. Moving to the seats in the second row, we have a 60/40 folding split bench seat finished in our jet black cloth. Can fold these seats either through the side or through our levers in the back of the vehicle. In the center seat, we have our foldable cup holder, 2 of them, and we have a plastic insert to keep them clean. The back of the passenger seat, we have our storage pocket. Lastly, between all the seats, we have our 2 vents, as well as 2 USBs for charging. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolf Chevrolet soon.